Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there in NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean, say attack. You don't know the thing of people, so we're there upon the Monday, giving thanks to life, you understand, as usual, on a daily basis, because that's what we have to do. From we have life are the greatest thing, people, because life is so precious, and we have to do, we have to keep life, people. We're not going to waste it, you know what I mean? Okay. Well, viewers and subscribers, it seems like some people don't want life, you understand, because some people have life and them feel like, say, yo, you know what, them can't get up anytime, people. Them not check, them no response. See? Yeah. So right about now, people, a very, you know what I mean, even gruesome, you know what I mean, boy, corrupt incident has come to NEWLINK attention now, people, and boy, when me hear about them stuff here, people, there's a lot of things coming in my head, and a lot of, you know what I mean, talk with other people about them stuff here, people. When I just come and start black first, you know what I mean, me have to reason with somebody about this story first, and we talk, and then, you know, we come and do the vlog about it, because, yo, it's crazy, man. Because it's about a 26-year-old man, people, who them say is originally from in a St. Catherine, people, Zane. But this man, you know, going to Kingston, go live and thing with a girlfriend and thing, people. And the man girlfriend have problem and thing, and basically go live at the girlfriend apartment, and the girlfriend like I tell him, say, yo, him to leave and go back at him, you know what I mean, him part in a St. Catherine where him from and this and that, people. And it's like him couldn't take it no more, people, him, you know, and him just end himself, people. Him end him own self, Zane. And the thing about this, people, when me go through and me look on this man thing, this man was married. You get what me I say? So me and them say girlfriend, so me look on me as prayer and I say, yo, basically man and wife then did mash up her something, and now he found a girlfriend and thing, people, and boy, him just decide say, you know what, him not take the road there again from wife to girlfriend, so him not go for your girlfriend again, people, because maybe him think say, yo, him could have this girl, you know, and then could have continue and go forward, but in our work, people, and boy, them same take out him own self. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So let me just read this little short piece of thing of people. Very short, not long. You know, we do some long reading sometime, but this is very short and just give a little highlight about this thing and this brother here. Only Jaja sees and Jaja knows, people. 26-year-old forklift operator Trevor Christie was discovered swinging from a belt in his corporate area apartment on Saturday evening in what the police are treating as a case of suspected suicide. The body of Christie was reportedly found by his girlfriend about 4:30 p.m. at a Kensington Crescent, New Kingston address. According to the Constabulary Communication Unit, Christie's girlfriend alerted the police to the gruesome find, a source told news. According to another source, Christie was said to be experiencing issues in his relationship with his partner. He reportedly threatened her, then said he couldn't take it anymore. Police said no further details could be disclosed at the press time. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, people. Zane? So, girlfriend call police, people. You know what I mean? 4:30 p.m. him found body and thing, people. Zane? Basically, she not talk the full thing and not explain what go on in them relationship or something, people. You know what I mean? Because she know maybe if she talk certain things, people, it a go lead to certain things. You get what I say? Because a lot of people are going to say, boy, if you did that, do this, or that. You know, it goes sometimes, people, you know. Not every man can take certain things certain way, people. But it's just sad to know when a man chose the road, people, to end him life. Because I tell every man this, you know. Zane and me that said this. I said this to people I know personally. Zane just like how me I go say it in the vlog them. Zane, look here. You and a woman together. You is 26-year-old. Because I say we're 19-year-old. 20-year-old, 21, I take them life and yes, because of woman. Look at them, and you in a relationship. And it may come away where things ain't working out, you know. You at fault, the girl at fault, and things ain't working out. You see that you go looking at yourself if you at fault and decide to change what you are do, and if she decide to give you a chance to change, then you go work out things. If she at fault and you talk to her, beg her, and she decides, say, you know what, she not go change, she not go stop what she do for be at fault and make the relationship not work, then all you have to do is pack your things here as a man and go. If I your place, you make sure no say nah work and this and that, and you know, you don't have to go on a separate ways, you have to go. Big man thing, Zane. But when you go come to boom now and choose the road and say, and if I hate this because you're gonna say yo, you go hurt or you go do or something, but in the end you go pray say you nah go do it. You rather go do yourself something for what? For what? with one belt. For what? For one look up pumps there, so come on, man. Yo, I'm tell you that's them something here, people. Look here, man. It's not the end of the road. See? And yo, you know what I mean? Tell myself, people. Me not perfect. Me been in a relationship before when me get hurt. You know what I mean? Me been through it, people. Me go and go see woman put my things them out the door and me live with them and them something there. When me I go to go mad and cry and go ball. No, we just link one of my bridging them and say forward the brother, you know, such and such happening and then come in and we just move them and get somewhere. I'm gonna catch my bridging yard for you. Then we go find an apartment and boom. You know, life continues, people. Zane, I just say go. When me I go do now, go jar up and grow on a tree on a back palm mango tree and go swing something there with light wire with piece of card. And finish my future there, so it don't make no sense yet. Zane, because at the end of the day, people, which me have seen comments, and me not like enough of them comments that were see based on the post and the article, people, where people in are saying, yes, it's a good thing you take yourself and take the woman. Come on, that's not the right thing to tell the man. The man should have not do nothing. Zane, because what we have to do, people, is use these things to try to prevent it from happening. Because it already happened already. Him don't take out himself already, people. So what we have to do now is say something that can prevent somebody who is going through the same thing from not, you know what I mean, doing this to themselves. Because not everybody learn, and when people lack of experience, people, it has a lot to do with them. Zane. And this is what the next thing when me always say, people. Me not go tell the man to give on, me not go tell the man to cheat. Zane. But it's always good when you have somebody who for sure like you can lean upon, Zane, whether a close friend, a female who you can talk to, who you can go hang out with her, something. Now if it's sound a bit intimate, but somebody who's close to you like that, because at least you could call on that person to talk to. Because a lot of people, two of them live, people, yeah, some people just live by themselves. You know what I mean? Them with somebody, them there with somebody, people, them just dedicated to the person, them not go close to nobody else. Zane. So at the end of the day, when things not work out that way, every stress upon them head, people. Them even close to them own family. And I'm not joking, people. Nobody. So, you know, it's sad for no so the youth are 26 and this are the road where him chose, people. Zane, this are the road where him chose. Look at now. Him dead, you know. Him gone. The tune still there. You know much man I go soccer that now. Maybe you should not go get with it now. Zane, I don't know what was really going on at the moment in the relationship that lead to arguments where she tell him to go. Zane, because it can be a case where same way where, you know, she not get what she want like what she used to get before things don't work out. There's a pandemic going on. She find that the man, it can't be like that. Me not judge her, but you don't know as a vlogger, people, we have to look into all sides. It can't be like that, Zane. It can't be at his fault where he ain't doing something that he used to do before in the relationship. She decides, say, no, it not work out and this and that and the better you go on. Maybe it's a problem, it's an alcoholic, it's a something. I'm just saying, people, you know, it can be many things. And at the end of the day, people, this is how he just decided to end it. He's 26, people. They say he's a forklift operator. You have a job, you know, you can see pictures with them people and things. You know, he wasn't unemployed at the moment, you know. We all go through phases in our life, people. We all do, you know. If I should sit down and talk a lot of my story where I'm coming from, people, and how you just climb up the ladder, it's like you're at a road, you know. So me that tell any man, say, maybe you're in a supermarket right now, I pack some bag, maybe you're there one gas station right now, I pump it, you understand, maybe you're a loader man, maybe you're there on the street, you know. I used to do all of these stuff too, see, but the thing is when you're a determined person, and you decided that you're going to go forward in a life, you're going to continue to go forward, you're going to press, because in your head you pray and you know say great things out there to accomplish, but you have to make moves, you have to just continue, you know, and them say God help those who help themselves. So here's a man who determined, don't tell yourself and lock yourself there, so Zane, you know what I always tell myself, people, say the queen can be my wife. Zane, the queen, so always put yourself like, you know, great things can happen for you. Don't make yourself feel low that way there. Because once you make yourself feel low, like nothing out there good enough for you, you're going to a problem, you're going to trouble. Zane, because this is your time, man, I pray that. Basically, him mindset trap up. So him does feel like it easy to get a belt, go tie this and swing off. And that's it. Finish himself. For a reason. Jaja sees, Jaja knows people. Honestly, yo, it's sad, man. So the other day I covered the story of a bridge, the people where they only just sees and he knows now, but because of certain things we even do the part 2, and because of certain things people, we have to cut down the part 2. Because when we talk the truth, sometimes people don't like the truth, go out there and them beg and play a NEWLINK, this and that, NEWLINK, please, not say that and that. And you know what? But I'm going to tell people, you know, I'm going to be honest. You see me now, I'm going to get really serious. So anytime I cover a story, you know, and yo, just when anytime I cover my story, them, Zane, because people, and the truth we have it on them, because people run from the truth and then beg us sometimes, NEWLINK, please, because we are going through the moment about the talk and this and that. Listen me, we have to pay me for take them done. Saying, you have to go pay me if you take them done. Because the time and effort I spend for create my thing, them, and when I put out the truth, because now the truth got there, you not going to beg the attacking boss to take it done. I say, you have to go pay me if you take done the truth. A reality, and the truth now go done, you know. You know go done, you know, because the attacking boss can't take down the truth. Saying, when you mess up on the thing. Saying, when me do my problem, people, if you don't catch me, I do my problem, I say go. You understand what I go do? You have to just take the blame. But me not go join a rope and go finish myself. No, sir. You're crazy. Man, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, big up on yourself. More love, more respect, and more blessings. Saying, remember to please like, share, comment, and do subscribe, my people. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook, you understand, and follow me on Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official, you understand. So the Facebook name is NEWLINK Production Attacking Boss. That are the new page, people, because you don't know, so the other one them they get hacked. IG, NEWLINK Production Official, Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official. Follow the thing them, people, follow it everywhere, because you know so a lot of videos that we have people who want to see actual Instagram and have a DM way to get them. So make sure to follow the Instagram, people, and please do support our channel, people. We have a PayPal link. Follow me on Patreon also, people. Check in the community section. Follow the Patreon link. You understand? Follow give a donation to the people. Follow check out our merch, people. We have the NEWLINK shirt, then we have the NEWLINK hoodies, you know what I mean? Support the thing, NEWLINK coffee cup, NEWLINK phone case. Be a support man. And remember, people, in September we have the NEWLINK charitable thing that come up. You know what I mean? We still got help some school picnic, even though we not keep the full back to street because we are going to feed some homeless people. So we want to support the thing, people. Give us support, give us cause. Please link up the attacking boss. Check below in the description for the contacts, for the phone number for me, and for the email for my people, and link up and give us support. Because once you support and you donate and say NEWLINK, this is for the charitable cause, people. 100% legit, 1,000,000% it is going fully towards it, people. I saw the attacking basket to work for the years we are doing this thing. So people, please support the thing for your cause. Whatever on the day in the world, big up on yourself, full force, fully attack. 26-year-old youth, gone, take him life over. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Attack.